Today I'm going on a journey to explore the coast of East Lothian, and my journey is going to start in Fitzroy Harbour in Musselburgh. I've decided to take in Preston Grange Mining Museum because it's a real reminder of East Lothian's industrial past. I love visiting the harbours of East Lothian. It's because I spent a lot of time there as a boy, because my dad was really into fishing, and we used to go fishing a lot, and we used to dig for bait on the mussel beds at Port Seaton at low tide, and then at high tide we'd go to the harbour and fish. Well, I'm always in North Berwick now. I'm at Yellow Creek Speech, and it's not a long walk at all from Yellow Creek round to North Berwick. But of course, this is not the whole coast of East Lothian. East Lothian goes on for another 10-20 miles down past Dunbar to Coburn's Path. But I hope I've given you a real flavour of it. It's certainly one of my favourite places to be.